Welcome to Car AutoZone, the place where timeless machines and legendary performance come alive. Today we're taking a trip back to the 1960s to explore a car that often lives in the shadow of its more powerful sibling, but has earned its own unique place in automotive history. We're talking about the Porsche 912, a car that may not roar like a 911, but it has a charm, balance, and character that still captures the hearts of classic car enthusiasts around the world. The Porsche 912 was introduced in 1965 as a more affordable alternative to the newly launched 911. Porsche needed a car that could fill the gap left by the outgoing 356, and they knew not everyone could afford the six-cylinder 911. So they did something clever. They took the sleek new body of the 911 and dropped in a more modest but proven four-cylinder engine from the 356 SC. The result? A lighter, more balanced, and surprisingly fun sports car that offered the Porsche experience without the premium price tag. Under the hood of the original 912 sat a 1.6-liter flat-four engine that produced around 90 horsepower. Now that might not sound like much by today's standards, but back in the mid-60s, it was enough to deliver a nimble, engaging driving experience. The engine was mated to a 4 or 5-speed manual gearbox, and thanks to the car's light weight, just over 2,100 pounds, the 912 could handle twisty roads with surprising agility. It wasn't about raw speed, it was about balance and finesse, and that's what made the 912 such a joy to drive. One of the biggest strengths of the Porsche 912 was its handling. With less weight over the rear axle compared to the 911, the 912 was more forgiving and less prone to oversteer. For many drivers, especially those new to rear-engine cars, it was easier to push the 912 to its limits. It became popular among amateur racers and enthusiasts who appreciated its purity and simplicity. This wasn't a car about flash, it was about the driving experience. Visually, the 912 looked almost identical to the 911. Same beautiful silhouette, same iconic round headlights, and that timeless Porsche profile. The only real differences were subtle badges and the absence of chrome on some models. Step inside, and you were greeted with a clean, no-nonsense dashboard, supportive seats, and classic VDO gauges. It had everything you needed and nothing you didn't. Just you, the car, and the road. Production of the 912 ran from 1965 to 1969, with a brief return in 1976 as the 912E, a special model made exclusively for the US market. The 912E came with a 2.0-liter Volkswagen-derived engine and served as a stopgap between the outgoing 914 and the arrival of the new 924. While it didn't have the same raw charm as the original, it still carried the 912's spirit of affordable Porsche driving. Today, the Porsche 912 has become something of a cult classic. Once overlooked in favor of the more powerful 911, collectors and enthusiasts are now rediscovering the 912 for what it truly is. A pure, unfiltered driving machine with timeless style and unmatched simplicity. It's a car that invites you to enjoy the journey, to feel every curve, and to appreciate the mechanical harmony that Porsche built into every detail. Owning a 912 is like owning a piece of Porsche history. It reminds us of a time when sports cars were light, analog, and connected. No driving modes, no traction control, no distractions, just a steering wheel, a gear stick, and the sound of that flat-four engine singing behind you. Thanks for tuning in to Car AutoZone. If you love classic cars with soul and stories, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a moment from the world of iconic machines. Let us know in the comments. If you had the keys to a Porsche 912, where would your first drive take you? See you next time.